Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your Wise account with QuickBooks. So this is really quick and easy, but first things first, you have to make sure that you already have your QuickBooks account and that you've already purchased your plan or you have the correct version for the so that you will be able to actually see this feature. So yeah, once you've ensured all those, you will just have to log into your account, and then what you will have to do after logging in is you will go to transactions, and then you will select bank transactions. Then you will select link account, and then you will search for Wise, and you will see multiple options for different regions. What you will have to do next is choose the one based on your registered business address, and choosing the wrong option may cause an error. And if that happens, you will just have to reconnect and select the correct region based on your business address. So if your Wise account is registered in Europe, you will just have to select Wise European Union. And if your Wise account is registered in the UK, then select Wise UK. And for all other regions, you will just have to select Wise UK. And then you will be redirected to log into your Wise account, and then you will just have to choose the business account you want to connect to QuickBooks. And then select the balances you want to sync and choose the date you want QuickBooks to pull transactions from. And after all that, you will just have to select connect. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.